Shut up! Fifth round, you must be out your mind. Lame. Fifth round pick, but I don't move like one. Lost 40 mil, but I still ain't done. They ain't pay me right, but I made them rich. Whole city buzzing off a QB switch. 446 on a rookie scale, but the merch going diamond like I ain't failed. They post my throws, they boost they brand. Now the league looking shook, this wasn't the plan. Pay me, don't play me. Fans show up just to see me dilate. Dre sales hit like a top 3 slot. But my contract say I'm not. Pay me, run that check. I bring more than you ever instead. Run it up, business is booming, let's talk numbers. I got more views than your whole draft class, turning haters into fans with a no-look pass. Every rethrow got a million replays, still getting paid like a vet from no 3 days. Jerseys moving like it's Yeezy drop, stadium full, even practice pop. From the HBCU to the coldest land, they got me cheap, but I'm the brand. Pay me, don't play me. Fans show up just to see me daily. Judge sales hit like a top 3 slot. But my contract say I'm not. Pay me, run that check. I bring more than you ever expect. You gave me 5th round money, but I gave you 1st round value. Every seat filled, every camera on me, every highlight mine. Pay me. 4-6 don't match the light I bring. They know I'm worth the Super Bowl ring. You can't discount destiny if you wanna keep me investing. 4-6 don't match the light I bring. They know I'm worth the Super Bowl ring. You can't discount destiny if you wanna keep me investing. Pay me, don't play me. Fans show up just to see me daily. 100 songs hit like a top 3 slot. But my contract say I'm not. Pay me, run that check. I bring more than you ever spread. Run it up, business is booming, let's talk numbers.
Run it up, business is booming, let's talk numbers. I'm telling y'all, bro. Palantir had their earnings. We're going to jump into it. Palantir had their earnings yesterday. I'm looking at it right now. They up $145. They had closed at $125 yesterday, and then the earnings came out, and then they skyrocketed, booming. So we're going to take a look at this, and I'm going to tell y'all right now, man, we might end up trading this guy because I'm expecting it to come back down, maybe. I might be wrong. This is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes only, man. All I'm telling y'all, I made a good play yesterday. Bitcoin 63,000, y'all. I made a good play yesterday on the spot, and I'm gonna try to do it again, man. I had played that thing to the max, right where I had said it, what it was gonna do. I said it was gonna go to 756. It had went to 758. NASDAQ. I had my next line at 760. Now it's up there, man. But before we get into it, Palantir right here. What they do? Hold on, let me get on there. It's on this. Palantir, a near perfect quarter, already paid for. Revenue grew 93%. The 9th straight quarter of acceleration with 47% GAAP operating margin and the first $1 billion profit quarter in company history. Then the stock jumped 15% and closed most of the gap to what those numbers are actually worth. Like I said, history being made, man. Revenue $1.94 billion, EPS 0.41 cent, GAAP operating margin 47%, adjusted operating margin 62%, rule of 40 score 155%, adjusted free cash flow 1.22 billion, 63% of the revenue. The line nobody put in a headline. Revenue is now growing twice as fast as new business. Revenue grew 93%. Total contract value signed in the new contract grew 49%. Palantir is converting a backlog built in the early quarters faster than it is replacing it, which is a good problem right up until the two lines meet. Then you got your graph right there, 44 points up. 44 points of gap. 93% at the top, 49% down at the bottom. The mix revenue growth year over year is the black line. And then total contract value signed is the red line, 49%. The mix inside the number improved sharply. U.S. commercial contract value grew 153% to record $2.13 billion and now makes up about 63% of everything signed. So the slower total reflects government and international bookings cooling, not broad demand trouble, but the coverage ratio is drawing down either way. Where the growth came from, one country is carrying the entire quarter. U.S. commercial 149%, U.S. government 90%, international 34%. International is quite the problem. It has slipped 18.7% of revenue from 27% a year ago and is growing at barely a third of the corporate rate. If U.S. enterprise AI budgets normalize before Europe and Asia inflect, there is no second engine to pick up the slack, and management didn't address it on the call. 9 straight beats, and this was the widest. Right here, revenue, quarter 2, 2026. Y'all see it. I ain't gonna read all these numbers. Y'all see it right there. Let me see what y'all talking about. Jody, what going on? Dead game. Miss Ed. Jamel. Appreciate y'all for coming, man. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share. Tell your friend about the Brown Town Opulence, man. I was just live on Dirtbird. That's why I got the Falcon hat on. But Bijan Robinson just signed a record deal contract with the Atlanta Falcons. But we over here on this right here. Let me go back. Management owns numbers. Say it slows from here. I'm on the level on this. The full year revenue guidance went up 8.15 to 8.158 billion. They raised a rise of roughly 960 million in single quarter adjusted free cash flow guidance moved to 4.5 to 4.7 billion. Enormous enormous raises by any standard. But run the quarterly pair Q3 is guided to 2.16 B. Well, I can't read today. But run the quarterly pair. Quarter 3 is guided to 2.162 billion. About 83% growth. The full year figure implies a quarter 4 near 2.424 billion at 72% growth. That is declaration from 93% to 72% across 2 quarters in management's own arithmetic. Palantir is beating his own guidance, 9 quarters running, so quarter 4 will almost certainly land above 72%. The point is directional, not lateral. The second derivative turns negative from here, and the market pays a very different multiple for growth that is speeding up than for growth that is slowing down, even at the same absolute rate. Diamond hands, yeah, man. Every time I look at this stock, man, I get mad because I had Palantir. I went in with $8 and I sold it. I was buying in and around 20, 30, then went to 8. I sold it, didn't know what I was doing. But SpaceX got their earnings tonight, man, and we're going to see what happened with SpaceX. I know I ain't talked about it in a minute, man, but SpaceX, they've been going down tremendously. The NAV, everybody already knew it was at $60. So when the IPO at $150, then people bought in heavy. Some of them did. I told y'all I was trying to get at least one share, but it wasn't even worth it trying to get that one share in the end. And I'm gonna wait until probably December, or if it come back down to 60 before then, we about to see after this earnings tonight. So tomorrow morning, we probably gonna see exactly what the price is gonna be. Now, it could go up just a slight bit, just because they might beat on the earnings. But who knows, man? Who knows? Nobody wrote. No, tonight's move won't be about business. SpaceX opens its books to public shareholder for the first time in 24 years, with under 5% of its shares actually traded. A third of that float sold short, and a lockup expiring 48 hours later. The numbers matter. The tape tonight probably doesn't. 3 structural facts, and all of them peaked this week. 4.9% of shares outstanding are in the free float. 646 million of 13.27 billion. 32% of that float is sold short. Shorts up 8.3 billion. August 6th first major lockup expires 2 trading days after earnings. Yesterday, 70.5 million shares changed hands, roughly 11% of the entire tradable supply in one session, and they float this thin. Price is set by flow, not by fundamentals. A loaded short position means a decent number could force covering into almost no available supply, and whatever happens tonight gets immediately overwritten Thursday when early investors can sell for the first time. That's what I said. Options are pricing a 15% move, giving a 4.9% float, a 32% short position, and a lockup 2 days out. A 15% swing in either direction. It is fully explainable by mechanics alone. The tape is not a verdict on the business. The segment numbers below are, and they'll still be true next week once positioning clears. For scale, on the drawdown, SpaceX has shed more than $500 billion in market value in 7 weeks. Facebook, the standard comparison for a disappointing mega cap debut, was roughly $100 billion on its entire first trading day in 2012. I ain't about to go ahead and go all through all this because we about to open the market, about to open, and I want to go ahead and get to the charts so we can look at it, because y'all know my rule. Let me do this right here. Get my pre-market scan on my AI. We still ain't make no trade with the AI, but I think I know why, because I only got $100 on there. So and the rules, the way it is, it ain't gonna trade unless it basically a perfect setup. That's the way I got it. That's the way I got it. Jamel's a E up 150% on Palantir, bro. Don't make me mad, bro. Don't make me mad, bro. Market is open. The SPY up 760. My stuff going off. I got it right here. That's what we looking at, man. We keeping an eye. Like I told y'all, my red line is the pre-market high. My yellow line was what it had to break through yesterday, which was at 760. I mean, that green line, that's where it had to break through yesterday where I thought it was going. Now we done broke through it at 761. We on the 5-minute chart right now, man. We're going to see what confirmed. And then I'm going to look at Palantir and the Qs also. Everything running right now. Everything is running right now. Palantir is up to 149. We being patient. We ain't jumping into nothing yet. I needed it. What I done learned is I need this to confirm on the 2-minute and the 5-minute. And then the 15-minute will come along. But we getting above that pre-market high already, bro. Well, this line's supposed to be right here. But we still above the pre-market high. This the Qs right here. Right in that line right here. I've been making money with the SPY, but I'm going to focus on one. Whatever one come with the setup first, that's the one we running. That's the one we running. And it is running. SPY running. Running. Palantir. Like I said, That line way too high. This supposed to be right here. But it's already set up though. Should have been already set up. This line way too high. What I was doing? This line about to be down here. That's the previous day high and the previous day low on them blue lines right there. As y'all can see where we at. How we done exploded. But now we gonna see pre-market high and what we gonna do. I really do want to play Palantir, but like I said, whichever one come first, that's the one I'm going heavy on. And it might be the SPY. Well, we still gonna wait though, cause we gonna see what happens. See what way the market moving. But I'm loading up on the SPY. I'm putting in there to pull that trigger. I want to see what the next 5-minute counter do. Cause we looking at the MACD. Hold on, I can't read y'all stuff yet. All right. I mean, I got in 12. Appreciate you. We looking at the MACD already done crossed over on the 5. The RSI pointing straight up. We at 81 on the RSI on the 5-minute chart. On the 2-minute chart, MACD crossed over doing pre-market. We done basically confirmed on the 2-minute, but like I told you, I gotta have 2-minute and the 5-minute confirmed. And then the 15-minute RSI pointed up, MACD pointed up. 30-minute MACD just crossed over on the 30-minute. So we should, if we get it, confirmation, we're going to 762, breakthrough 762, we're going to 764. I already got the Fibonacci extension on, and then 765, 776, we could potentially go all the way up to 768, 771. Tom Lee, he already predicting that we can get to 780. He predicting we can get to 780. I ain't saying they're gonna happen today, but we could be trending and drifting up to 780. And then he talking about it might be a 10% drawback or more. And then we would get that big run up all the way to 8,000. So the S&P 500, the ETF will be 800 for the ones that don't know. Palantir is struggling with their pre-market high. The SPY pad pre-market high. See what that counter open at, see what it do. It might push down just a little bit. We're gonna see. We still in the 15-minute window where we are not supposed to trade. But if I get that confirmation, I'm telling y'all right now, I might jump in. I might jump in. Let me go back to the Q, 712. Same thing on the Q, man. Same thing on the Q. We confirmed on the 2-minute. We confirming on the 5-minute. But I want to make sure we don't get no drawdown and it continue to go up. But I'm gonna play the SPY, man. I'm playing the SPY. Palantir, it done confirmed too on the 5-minute. It hitting that Bollinger Band though. All on hitting that pad that Bollinger Band. That's why I'm like, okay. We at 762 now. 762.83. That was my line at. That was my line at. I'm gonna see what this counter do before I jump in. It did 5-minute counter. That is 15-minute. I want to make sure because we might, this next 5-minute counter might get a little pullback because we passed that Bollinger Band, man. And that one I want to catch it unless we get the pullback right now within these next 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Palantir 151. Meta going down. Wow. What we got with the Qs at 712. See, sellers at the top right there on that wick. Sellers at the top on that wick. And then I'm about to tell y'all how I check it, how I've been checking it. Now, I've been checking these plays. I told y'all that's why I waited. I've been checking these plays with the Fibonacci candles right here. So we got these no doji at all. We looking good on the 5-day Qs right here. We curving, and we ain't curving on the MACD on the 2-minute, but we looking good. But I'm just gonna be patient right now. So we hit 762.19 on the SPY, even though we still look good. Even though we still look good. The 5-minute got red counter. 2-minute. Let's see what happens in the next 5 seconds with the 2-minute. Let's see what happens. They're gonna tell us a lot about the 5-minute counter. Okay, we had the red. Now we struggling. Told you we had hit that Bollinger Band. They want to push up a little bit. 762. A little delayed on the TV. I mean on the screen. I'm looking at the call option 0 DTE. August 4th. Well, when I'm looking at, I'm going in the money now. I'm going in the money. Might be doing this 756. We got a 1 minute. As long as that 5 minute don't come back down to the 9 EMA, we good. We good. We got 50 seconds left with the 5 minute. I'm about to look to jump in. I might go to 758. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to do this 758. I'm going to try to scale in. Got 20 seconds. We're getting a doji. I'm putting my order in to buy one. I'm going to see will it come back down to it. If I can catch it. If I can't, then I'm going to just raise it and try to catch it before it run all the way. Get the 5 minute right here. What the 2 minute doing? So we getting a little weak on the MACD. Getting a little weak on the MACD on the 2 minute. RSI curving to come back down. But the 5 minute, 15 minute, good. It might be running too quick. Here we go. Come catch me. Come get me. Come get me. Come pick me up. Come pick me up. 2 minute curving. 2 minute curving. I'm talking this out for myself too. Dang, it ain't come pick me up. Come pick me up now. It ain't want to come pick me up. We getting real short on the 2 minute though. I ain't playing the 2 minute. I'm playing the 5 minute. I got to get in on this counter. Got 3 minutes. That thing running. Already up 30. $72, 762.10. Come pick me up. Let me raise it just a little bit. We got 3 minutes before we really supposed to start trading, but I like it. I still like it. I ain't in yet. The MACD was curving on the 2. Now we consolidating. All right, boy. I'm gonna have to go and spend a little more than what I wanted. I might have spent a little more than I wanted. Palantir still going up. Q713. Look like they done confirmed too. You don't want to go get me, Howard. I got a minute. I do want to get in because I think that thing about to pop. I might have to just sacrifice it. Spend a little more than what I wanted. I'm in. See, can I catch another one, a little cheap one? How much time I got left? Yeah, they want to come back. See, can I steal in then? Down $16. Oh, then you want to come back to get me. Where I wanted you at the first time. Can it get me around here? Don't do me like that. I couldn't get it. I couldn't catch it. Oh my goodness, bro. We still got 50 seconds. Oh, nah, that's the 5 minutes. 5 minutes, Dick. I told you. I couldn't catch it, but I tried to get another one. Dang, bro. I was too slow. Oh, I was too slow. I'm about to cancel that order. I'm trying to scale in on a different one. Go, Palantir, go. How much you got? I go 760. 760. $760. See what we looking like. Got a little red. We're still above the VWAP. 15 minutes. Pointing up, or as I want to flatten out. We get that 762.83. We running. Okay, now you want to come back. 3 seconds. 2 minutes left on that 5 minute. I'm trying to scale in with the one I got. That ain't gonna come down. Let me go back. $7.62. Big red candle. Let's see. But them bars at the bottom, bro, they ain't give. It ain't come get me. It came down, but getting that doja. Let's see what else. 23 seconds. 20 seconds on the 5 minute. Palantir 151. Might end up drifting up today. Yeah, but I should have got in then. I tried to catch it. They want to push now. We all that Palantir, man, on the 2 minute. Look at that. Dang. I'm in, though. I ain't missing it. 763. We close above 760. If we close at 763, we running to 764. Like I missed that second entry, man. Like I missed that second entry. I'm up $65.66. Dang. Come right now, pick me up. It already ran, though. It already ran. Palantir curving on the 2 minute and the 5 minute. 15 still straight. Got 3 minutes. But that 760, it was at 280 something. Now 350. I missed it. Let me see, can I get out the money? I might just do this one trade. I ain't gonna get greedy. I'm gonna play that one. I'll leave it alone. I ain't even forcing it. I gotta teach myself. I gotta talk myself. Don't get greedy, man. It's always gonna be another play. We made all that money yesterday. We just missed the entry to get in to get more. We good. We good with this one. Let it run. I got you. Talking to myself now. How many minutes we got left? 2 minutes. We can close at 763 no matter what number and get above this 762.83. We're going to 764. 744. That will be the next level. That will be the next level. If we can close above this 763. Because the MACD look good, RSI look good on the 2 minute and the 5 minute. 15 minute, oh yeah, MACD pointed straight up. 30 minute, MACD crossed over that first 30 minutes. Now we working on the second 30 minutes. Look like we about to confirm the up move. On the 30, 15, got 6 minutes before it confirmed. We at 763.22. I'm riding that one. I ain't going in no more. I missed it. I'm up 22%, 102, 101, 99.50. We ain't get no doji. Ain't no indication for us to get out. None. Boy, if I would have caught that, man, I'm moving too slow, bro. Let me see what is it. It's 760 at 380 now. I was about to buy 2 of them things. I still can though, but 765. That thing up 800%. I'm gonna see if we confirm. We get to confirm. And we getting a little red. I might get these out the money. It coming down. We're gonna probably test that 763. Probably won't test it. Let's see. MACD curving on the 2 minute. I ain't concerned about that. As long as that 5 minute stay above that 9 EMA, we good. We good. RSI pointed straight now. MACD curving on the 5 minute. I think they just a stop loss hunt. $760 back down to 330, 340. I think there's a stop loss hunt right here. Yup, we ain't got no doji. Got a red candle on the 2 minute. Need the Fibonacci candles. RSI pointed straight down. I ain't concerned at all. Cause we still above in that range. I ain't playing no more. I ain't getting greedy. Stop. I ain't getting greedy. I'm about to play that one. RSI pointed straight down on the 5. Now we getting a doji on the 2. But we ain't come back down though. We ain't come back down here. If we would have came back down to 7, if we want to consolidate, if we want right here at 780 on my line, if we want right here, then I say, okay, everything might really come down. But it looked like they're just a stop loss hunt. That's what it looking like. They just trying to keep some folk out that set they stop loss. They probably got in back here. 2-minute curving. MACD, RSI, curving back up. 5-minute, got some buys at the bottom. Like we about to get a red hammer candle. Got 1 minute, 20 seconds. 763 back above. I told you, stop loss hunt. Just like this right here, we got this red. We got this red doji right here. I think they're doing about to do the same thing. It just kick people out. And then their net count about to push all the way up to 764. I say I only got 2 people on the live on the phone, but I got 19 here. I ain't be lying, bro. Asinine. Appreciate y'all for coming, man. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share. Tell your friend about the Brown Time Opulus, man. I'm using my formula right here that I done concocted from some other content creators that I follow, and I just combined 2 different formulas into one. And I'm walking through them. I'm in the spy call option. I only got 1 because when I tried to get in back here, I tried to get in back there. It wouldn't let me get in. We're probably gonna test these 763 now. Did the 5-minute. Like I said, as long as we stay above that 9 EMA, we ain't got nothing to worry about. On the 5-minute, we hitting that Bollinger Band. Probably gonna expect some red. Probably gonna test that 763. That's the 2-minute chart. Did the 5-minute now. Like I said, coming down, test it. Still up 20%. Boy, I wanted that 760, bro. I was gonna get 2 on. MACD getting a little flat. RSI pointed down now on the 5-minute. I think they're just temporary though. Cause now we at 763, 48, 40, 50. Yeah, I think they're temporary. I'm up 28%, $129.50. I only got 1 contract. 130, 135, 138, 139, 140, 137, 139, 140, 142, 132. We're going to 764. Did 5-minute confirm. We got 3 more minutes on that 5-minute. 15-minute looking great. 30-minute, like I said. RSI want to flatten out a little bit, but it's great. 15 and 30 is great. 5 minutes still trending up. Fibonacci, no doji. No doji. 15 minute, no doji. 30 minute, nothing. We about to hit 764. We at 763.80 right now. Dang, boy, if I would have caught that man, dead game boxing, what's going on? I already said that. Still here. Appreciate you. Jamel, I think I'm getting better, Jamel. What you say? Because you've been here every day. Every time I went live. Appreciate you, big dog. 764.44. Like I told y'all, I used the Fibonacci extension to get these levels. So we making all new all-time highs as the SPY move up. We hit 764.10. We get past 764.50 and confirm, we're going to 765.75. I'm just riding away because I played it yesterday. I timed that thing right. I had got 2 contracts. I sold one. No, I had got 3. I sold one when it ran up, and I made my money back. Got my made my money back. I jumped out, so now I was playing with the house money, and then it ran up a little more. Then I sold another one, and then the third one I let ride until it hit my stop loss. But then after it triggered my stop loss on that one, the spot kept running up. So I left about $400 on the table. I left an extra $400 on the table just because I was up $400. I made $440 yesterday. I was up. I was like, bro, profit. I ain't getting greedy. I just set my stop loss and I left it alone. I walked away. And whenever it triggered, it just triggered. This thing ain't even running. I'm still trading with the AI, but like I said, it might not make a trade because I ain't got too much money on there. 5 minute got 20 seconds. So we closed above 764 right here. In 764. I think we good. Got 10 seconds. It came back down. Let's see what happened. MACD still strong though. Curving on the 2 minute a little bit. Need the Fibonacci counters right here. I don't think we got it. We ain't close above in 764, but we still above. We still in that range though. From 762.83 to 764.44. We still in that range. But now we at 764.20. My computer a little delayed. Let me look at Palantir. The Q714. Palantir 153. It curving though. I'm up 43%. 190, 199, 196, 197, 196, 193, 194, 196, 199, 204, 203, 206, 50, 204, 50, 206, 50, 209, 50, 207, 50, 202, 46%. Now we break 764.44 or 764.50 and we confirm on that 5 minute, we're going to 765.75. MACD still strong. 2 minute curving on the RSI, but I ain't concerned about the 2 minute. I'm worried about the 5 minute. The farther and farther away we get from that 9 EMA, the better we is. But if that 5 minute counter come back down to the 9 EMA, we should be getting out. 15 minute, everything perfect. MACD straight up, RSI up, but it looked like it want to flatten out a little bit because we getting a little red. But we got 2 minutes and 40 seconds left on the 5 minute. If we confirm above 764.44, we're going to 765.75. Let me check the Fibonacci. We ain't got no doji, none. 2 minute, none. 5 minute, none. I'm only concerned with the 5 minute though. With the doji, 15 minute, none. 30 minute, none. There's no reason for us to get out. That's how I check. We got 2 minutes. Let me play y'all some music right quick. I'm about to get up. Give me a second. There it is. 764. Mic ain't muted. We ain't confirmed. We ain't confirmed. We did not confirm. Let's see what happened on this 5 minute. Still no reason to get up. MACD flattening out a little bit on the 5. RSI flattening out. 2 minute curving. MACD. RSI flattening out. Might get a doji on the 2 minute. I still think they're just a stop loss hunt. Might be a stop loss hunt. Because when you have no doji, if I get a doji on the 5 minute, get a doji on the 5 minute, then I got a problem. Then I got a problem. And they want to call me right now. We above that 764.44. Let's see, can we hold it? Palantir 154. Curving on the MACD on the 2 minute. Hitting resistance right here at 764.44. We got the 764.55, so we know we can get there. We in that Bollinger man too, though. But MACD, good on the 15 RSI. It look like it want to come and flatten out. We is overbought though. But I'm concerned about this 5 minute, 30 minute, MACD. All that's the same. Now we pushing up. And we can confirm above this 764.44. We going to 765.75. Then the same thing. Confirm above that. We still moving up. What's my net line? 767, 768, then 70, 771. Then the next levels we got. As long as we confirm above each line on the 5 minute, then we double check with the Fibonacci. We on the Fibonacci counter right now. No, we on a regular counter right now. My fault. Fibonacci look like this. As long as we don't get no doji on the Fibonacci, then we good. We get a doji on the Fibonacci on the 5 minute, then we got to set our stop loss. I'm playing dangerous. I ain't set my stop loss because I do not want to stop loss hunt. As long as I can see that it confirming still going up, I'm breaking my own rule. We got 1 minute on that 5 minute. Palantir 154.83.80. No doji on that neither on the 5 minute. Q 715, no doji. On the 5 minute, I'm looking at Fibonacci over there. Everything's still trending up. 764.70. We got 1 minute left on this 5 minute counter. Hey, this just for entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice. I'm not trying to get sued. I'm learning. And y'all, I'm documenting it. And y'all watching me document it. Appreciate y'all for coming. 40 seconds. Look like we gonna do it. No, we don't get no big drawdown. Look like we gonna do it. We're going to 765.75. 30 seconds. Look like we're gonna keep trending up. They late now. We getting a red, but we did confirm though. We just did confirm 764, 80, 90. Whoo, that was 58%, $259, 260. $264.50, $265.50, $270. I get about 15 more minutes, then I'm gotta hop off. $765, there it is. There it is. MACD looking strong. RSI flattening out 2 minutes. RSI curving. MACD flattening out. But I think we still trending up because they did this yesterday. It did the same thing yesterday. Did the same thing yesterday. It's the 2 minute now. See how it spiked up. But the MACD got skinny. And then we even got red. But we never did the 2 minute now on the MACD. But we never came back down. We never had that big drop. We all trended up, even with the MACD crossing back underneath. We still trended up for this long period of time. Like between here, we were still going up. It was slow, but we were still going up. And then we got green right here. Then we start getting red on the MACD again. But we were still trending up, consolidating a little bit. Then we got green with the big push up. That was around 130. Then we kept trending up. Then we got some red. Never came below that. Well, that's the wrong line now. But even with the red on the 2 minute, we were good. That's why I was like, if the 5 minute come back down, then we got a problem. Not the 2 minute, 5 minute. 765.20. Look at us. Look at us. Can we get to that 771? Can we get to that 771 today? Tom Lee said we can go to 780. I'm not saying it's going to be today, though, but he did say that. Let's see. I'm about to throw that sock away. I got about 12 more minutes on live. Then we're going to see what we do, but it looked like we in good standing for the rest of the day. 283, I'm up 64%. Let me look at that one I didn't get. That SPY, I was trying to get it. What it was, 765? No, it was 760. Dang. That thing up. The 546, 545. It's up 632%. 765 is up 1,925%. My position I'm in total is up 363%. 361. I've been buying in the money. I'm at 758. I'll be looking at the open interest. It was like 15,000 people had that. And then the delta, I can't remember what the delta was at the time, but the delta right now is 0.93, and then the 30 is 0.13. For the ones that don't know, when your delta higher than the theta, that's good. That's great, actually. So for every dollar, this option go up, or let's see. I'm at 50%. Might be another stop loss hunt. Like I said, as long as that 5 stay above that 9 EMA, we good. This how they come search to kick folk out. People done set they stop loss because they got all these big gains. Then they had this big red counter right here. Come back, try to kick you out. Then kick you out, then they're going to keep running. But I'm happy with whatever I get. Because the many L's, many lessons I've been learning, anything profit is good. Any green is good. No, we don't come back below. If we come back below 764.44, then I'm concerned. But if we stay above, like we are right now, I'm good. On the 5-minute chart, we still got 2 minutes left. Let's see what happens. No doji though. They got a red candle. They want to come back. We below it. Can will it stay? Because now this support right now, 764.44 support. Can we get them buys back in there? They got a little wick. Is it strong enough? Is it strong enough? Got a minute and 30. Net count about to determine a lot. The money man say his stop loss. Buys coming in, they pushing it back up. Told you, support right there. Support right there. You will arm with? I can't even see it. 10K. I will show you how to grow your bag. Still more. I'm still learning. My little stock doing good. I'm getting ready to make a withdrawal since I turned 59 and a half. That 401k. We got them buys right at 764.44. We got 40 seconds. Can they hold it? Can they hold it? We still gonna see what the net counter do though. But the MACD curving, RSI pointed straight down. We got 20 seconds. I don't know. I'm loading up my take profit and stop loss. I'm getting it ready. Uh-oh, we might have lost it. Let's see what happens. Check the 2 minute. Went across on the MACD on the 2 minute. Fibonacci. We got a doji on the 5. It's a green doji though. I'm getting it ready though, just in case. I got 5 more minutes on live. That's why I said I was gonna wait. Yeah, I think that was stop loss hunt. I think it was. Especially we closed back above. We already back above. I told you. I got concerned for a minute. I ain't set no stop loss still though. It's risky. We did get a green doji, now we getting a red doji. We gotta see how they close. They still don't mean until we get a drawdown and back below the 9 EMA on the 5. If we get back to the 9 EMA on the 5, then I'm concerned. But the doji let me know that we could potentially change direction. Not on the 2 minute, but the 5 minute chart. 15. And ain't even curving on the MACD. 30 ain't even nowhere near close. But we struggling right here at 764.44. RSI look like it want to start pointing back up, pull back. It gave a little bit of relief. MACD still curving, though it's flattening out. Palantir 157 is still running. I thought they were going to get a little pullback. Q. Amazon down. Nike down. I'm about to get out their option. Meta down. NVIDIA 210. I should have stayed in that one. I had them leap options on that. They're my favorite stock. SpaceX to 117. They have pushed to 121. Tesla 323. Go back to this spot. Got a minute and 20 seconds. Getting a green hammer counter, reverse hammer. When I get my money, I'm gonna send you a graduate and get appreciate. Me and Jody, I need about 5K. I need about 5K, man, Jody. I'm just joking. Whatever you saying would be greatly appreciated. A green inverted hammer is a bullish reversal candlestick pattern featuring a small real body at the bottom and a long upper shadow at least twice the body's length and little to no lower wick, appearing after a downtrend. A green body indicates buyers pushed prices up during the session, signaling stronger buying pressure than a red version. So that's what we just got. So this inverted hammer counter right here should be a bullish signal. Should be. But look like we coming back to that 9. We struggling right now, boy. I was supposed to be getting off. I gotta watch this. Going back to set my stop loss. Just in case, because I'm going to have to get up. Take whatever profit I can get today. Pushing back down. MACD curving hard. RSI pointed down. Got 3 minutes, 50 seconds. Get some buys right there. Struggling right here. Already done crossed on the 2 minute. Under the 9 EMA. MACD cross, RSI pointed down. As long as we don't cross on that 5 minute, now we getting them buyers. Right on that 9 EMA. It ain't completely touching it. But we got 3 minutes. Hibonacci. We got that green doji right there. Like I told you, that was just telling us it could be a change in direction. You see, we got 2 red candles right after that. Now we right at the 9 EMA. Like I told you, the 5 cross below that 9 EMA, we are getting out. 2 minute already crossed. But the 5 is what we're looking at. I'm still up 45%. %47%, 48%, 50%. They buying. Should have that inverted candle, the inverted hammer is a bullish signal. This candle right here was the bullish signal. Now we pushed up hard too. Now we get a green, we get an engulfing candle. We get a counter that take that red one out. We definitely running. Now we got another doji. Might be reversing back up now. Mm. 21 people. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share, and tell your friends about that Brown Town opulence. We learning over here. 15 minutes. Wow. Got a little short. MACD ain't curving though. RSI came down, but then we look like we want to curve back up. 30 minutes. Still strong. Getting that doji right here on that 5 minute. Should be another reversal back up. 2 minute. Getting back above the 9 EMA. That the Hibonacci though. Go back to the regular counter. Yup. We just got back above the 9 EMA on the 2 minute. We got the 765.38. We can get the 765.75. Let's just say 766. And we going to 767. 5 minutes, got 5 seconds. Yep, there we go. There we go. RSI flattening out though. Big loss hunt. Big stop loss hunt. Likes are free. Yep. This knowledge is free too. Palantir, where it go? 157. It curving. Q's 715. Everything consolidating right here. Getting resistance. Having resistance. Or support. They back testing. But I think we still gonna drift up. Like I told y'all yesterday. Need my last 5 minutes, then I gotta hop off. See what happens. We gotta get another doji on the 5 minute, then I'm concerned, but we got the green doji, red doji, green doji. Should go back up. As long as we don't get another doji right here by the end of these 3 minutes. 2 minutes, 15 minutes, a little short now. On the Fibonacci counter, not the regular counter doji, but the Fibonacci counter doji. And then we pushing back down. We're going to test it again. No, we ain't. They thought we was. They thought we was. They had it fire. Appreciate you. They thought we were going back. They said no. Just squeaky, boy. Q 716. Palantir 158. 765. We got 1 minute. Can we close above up here? If we got with a 765.75, would have been good. Perfect. No doji though. I'm about to go ahead and get all that thing, man. I appreciate y'all for coming. And the mark's still up. That's a good sign. Yup. I appreciate y'all for coming. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share. Tell your friends about that brown time opulence. Your boy got to get off that thing. I got to go somewhere. But I will be keeping an eye on it. Hopefully I helped y'all see what I'm looking at. Everybody want to call me right now. Let me see. Got 20 seconds, 25 seconds. MACD flattening out. RSI flat, but it's trending up though. RSI. No doji counter on the Fibonacci. 5 minute. 2 minute. Then the 5 minute, no doji. The counter, net counter should be green. Might gonna pull back a little bit, but it should be green because we out the Bollinger Band now. But I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all already know what time it is.